Welcome back to Huan. In today's video, we're diving deep into Ault Global Holdings Incorporated, formerly known as DPW Holdings Incorporated. This company offers a diverse range of investments across various industries, making it an intriguing prospect for investors looking for exposure to multiple sectors. Let's explore what Ault Global Holdings is all about and why it might be worth considering for your portfolio. Overview of Ault Global Holdings. Ault Global Holdings Incorporated is a diversified holding company with a focus on acquiring and managing businesses in various industries. Originally founded in 1969, the company has undergone several transformations over the years to become the entity it is today. With a portfolio of subsidiaries spanning sectors such as technology, defense, aerospace, and healthcare, Ault Global Holdings offers investors exposure to a broad array of markets. Key subsidiaries and investments. Ault Alliance. A subsidiary focused on providing consulting and advisory services to small and medium-sized businesses. It offers expertise in areas such as strategic planning, financial management, and operational efficiency. Coolesys Technologies Corporation. Ault's technology subsidiary specializing in the design and manufacture of power systems for various applications, including defense, aerospace, and telecommunications. Gresham Worldwide. Ault's defense and aerospace subsidiary, offering innovative solutions for military and commercial clients. Gresham specializes in areas such as electronic warfare, radar systems, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Digital Power Lending. Ault's finance subsidiary providing financing solutions to businesses in need of capital. This segment offers asset-based lending, equipment financing, and other financial services. Recent developments and performance. Ault Global Holdings has been actively pursuing strategic acquisitions and partnerships to expand its presence in key markets. In insert year, the company acquired name of company or asset to bolster its specific sector capabilities. Additionally, Ault has mentioned any recent partnerships, collaborations, or milestones. In terms of financial performance, Ault Global Holdings has seen mention recent financial highlights, such as revenue growth, profitability, or any significant events impacting the company's financials. It's essential for investors to conduct thorough due diligence and consider the company's financial health before making any investment decisions. Investment considerations. Diversification. Ault Global Holdings offers investors exposure to multiple industries through its diverse portfolio of subsidiaries. This diversification can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Management team. Assess the expertise and track record of Ault's management team in executing its growth strategy and creating shareholder value. Industry trends. Consider the growth prospects and dynamics of the industries in which Ault operates, such as technology, defense, and finance. Risk factors. Like any investment, Ault Global Holdings carries certain risks, including market volatility, regulatory changes, and operational challenges. It's essential to weigh these risks against potential rewards before investing. Conclusion. Ault Global Holdings Incorporated presents an intriguing investment opportunity for those seeking exposure to diverse industries through a single entity. With a portfolio of subsidiaries spanning technology, defense, aerospace, and finance, Ault offers investors the potential for growth and diversification. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. As always, consult with a financial advisor to ensure that Ault Global Holdings aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on investing and finance. Until next time, happy investing. Feel free to customize the script according to your preferences and any additional information you want to include. Message chat.